So you're getting a hair transplantation and you're wondering how to coordinate with your vacation, or if somehow you can combine the two all together if you're traveling into Chicago. Well, we've had people fly out for vacation from the very next day after their procedure. So anything is really possible as long as we can work together and within some guidelines. Remember, the night of your procedure up till noon the next day, you'll be on pain medications. We don't want you making your own decisions. We would like to have you have a travel companion if you're headed out. Number 2, the risk of flying after a procedure slightly increases the risk for bleeding. However, it's not by much. We do discourage it, but if it's something you really want to do, it's fine. That change in cabin pressure can maybe dislodge a clot. However, we have not had it in our office before. Now remember, for the first 5 days, it's very important to pay attention to these grafts. They are not totally socked into place and you want to be very careful. So if you're going to a place where you're going to be hiking or around some unfamiliar spots, you want to be very careful with your grafts. You just want to go somewhere you're very cautious. On day 5, you can actually start wearing a cap, and that is actually when it is okay to get sun exposure. So if you plan to be outside during this time, it's really the 5-day mark that it's safe to go out. A lot of people ask about whether they can go swimming. Swimming's a little bit different. We really want your grafts to be healed in, for all your scars to be sealed. We will usually tell people 2 to 3 weeks before you can submerge your head underwater. However, you can go into a pool, you can go into a hot tub, just don't let your head get wet.